What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Tuesday, September 13th, 2022. Doing our... There she is. 2022 Topps Finest Flashbacks Baseball 3 Hobby Box Break. Pick your team number 2. Number 3 is tomorrow, along with more 3D Pick Your Division. And then fourth and final one is on Monday with Topps Chrome. If you missed what I was talking about earlier, I'm going to do some Immaculate. I just don't know how much I'm going to be able to get until Thursday, probably. So I'm going to put, hopefully do some Immaculate, but that'll be for next week as well. And that's kind of where we're at right now with what everything else is on the schedule. Yeah, who's got who? You got the team names on the top left there for you. Alphabetically, I'll run through it. Aaron M. with the Braves and Blue Jays. Capucine with the Orioles, Angels, Nationals. Chris H. Padres. Dan B. Cardinals. Daniel H. Red Sox, Yankees. Daniel Y. Tigers, Dodgers. Danny V. Mariners. Derek C. A's. Eric G. Cubs, Giants. Eric L. White Sox. Gary S. Reds. George B. Mets. Greg H. with the D-backs, Guardians, Rockies, Rangers. IBC with the Last Spot Brewers, as well as the Twins. Michael R. Astros, Marlins. Nelson O. Phillies, Rays. Sean C. with the Royals, and Sean F. with his Pirates. So yeah, the 2 breaks today and tomorrow should all be out by the end of this week. Thursday, latest Friday. That'll be on their way, and then Topps Chrome and number 4 will ship together next week. I'm not gonna hold everything back, so everything will be out by this weekend. Probably before Thursday or Friday, I would say. You should probably see it's in their hands. Good luck, everybody. All card chip, and just a reminder, no hit list credit with the break. I'm hoping to get an auto. No autos in the first break, so we're due. Good luck, everybody. Finest Flashbacks. Box. More foam. Good luck. Look at that. Thicky right out of the gate. Looks like a prism. They got Correa, Ketel Marte, Garrett Cole. Nice Julio base. First pack. We got here. Nice. Juan Soto. Capucine and the Nats. 11 out of 35. Very nice. Good start. Here's your 11 out of 35. Very nice. And Mr. Julio, right out of the gate. Hot start. Let's keep it going. Randy, Salvi, Steven Matz, Donaldson, Didi Gregorius, Ryan Vlade, Shane Baz. We got for the Cardinals, Power Kings, Albert Pujols, Yachty, and Trey Turner. I think he does it, man. I think he could do it. 697. I haven't seen if he did anything tonight. But he's just... Keep him in the lineup. You guys won the division. It's over. Keep him in the lineup. Bregman, Acuna, Chipper for the Braves. Buxton and India. Sure. High number SP. For Atlanta, Aaron. Young Chipper. It's got to be like 1991 Chipper there. I don't even think that's 95 Chipper. He looks way too young. Chapman, Bieber, Harper, Abreu, and Luis Arias. Nola Rendon, Yasmani, nice Joe Ryan, and Vladdy. Got a refractor, Kevin Biggio. Got Yelich. Got Max Fried in the back. Nelson Cruz. The refractor's a rookie. Cal. Going out to the Mariners and Danny. Cal's the ultimate Mariners tease. At least it didn't say like rookie and like a Mariners logo right underneath or something. Didn't fool us that much. Freddie. Strasburg, Stroman, Kyle Tucker, Giancarlo. Sano, Glasnow, Mike Soroka, Juan Yepez, and Corbin Burns. Got Brian Anderson, Escobar, and Mets uni, love it. Eddie Rosario, Jazz Chisholm, and Brandon Marsh, rookie for the Angels. Need some more color. Got Mullins, Reese Hoskins, McKenzie, Kim, and Ryu. What do we got? We got gold. Here we go. Maybe let's get some ink though. Haniger. Got Bradley. Got Albies. Jesus Sanchez. Gold. Kershaw. Dodgers. Daniel Y. 34 of 50. Clayton Kershaw. Big name color in this. Soto and Kershaw. Very nice. We got here Luke Williams rookie. Pujols Dodgers edition. Matt Vierling. Alex Kirilloff and Sixto Sanchez. Refractor, we got Sale, Mize, Altuve, DeGrom. Is it a SP guy? It is. Jackie Robinson, very nice. Dodgers. Back-to-back Dodgers. Very cool. Bueller, got Seth Beer rookie, Yaz, Marte, and Otto Lopez. Verlander, Lewis, Carpenter, Kyle Muller, Willie Adames. 2 packs left in box form. Jackson Kowar, Giolito, Josiah Gray, Taylor, Manny Machado. Last pack. Hunter Green, nice rookie there for the Reds. Flaherty, Kevin Gausman, Yordan Alvarez, and JD Martinez. 2 big rooks out of that box, definitely Julio and Hunter. Let's say we're the top 2. Go. Box 2. Wheeler, Jared Walsh, Winker, Mountcastle, Kelnick. What do we got here? Gold maybe? Manoa, looks gold. Cronenworth, Josh Lowe rookie. Logan Gilbert. The gold is a rookie. Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Sean C. 1 of 50. Kenta Maeda, Lars Nootbaar, he's solid. Meadows, my man Conforto, just turning down offers left and right. We got one of the inserts here. Bogarts, nice O'Neal Cruz. Bo Jackson, Royals, Power Kings. Corey Seager and KB on the Rockies. Bo Knows, first O'Neal Cruz base rookie. Sean and his Pirates. Luis Hill, Evaldi. There's Bo Jackson. Royals doing well. And Otani. SP of Bo. Royals Sean C. doing well. Yeah, Bone. Tim Anderson, Simeon, Mancini, and Hoy Park. Josiah Gray, another Hunter Green, very nice. Patrick Corbin, Bo Bichette, Matt Olson. Mr. Flaherty, Duvall, Verdugo, Soto, and Brian Hayes. LeMahieu, C.J. Abrams, Snell, Dylan Carlson, and Castellanos. Padres, Mr. Abrams. Chris, there you go. Kilbadoo, Dahlbeck, Reed Detmers, Kyle Wright, Keston Hiura. Bryson Stott. Torque. There we go. First Torque. Was that Madrigal? Yeah, Madrigal, Giovanni Urshela, and Nolan Arenado. Refractor coming up. Raffy Devers, Mercado, excuse me. Springer, Torres. Refractor is Frank Thomas for the White Sox. Eric L. SP Refractor. They say like one refractor per box, but I think every single box, we've opened 5 now. There's one like base refractor and there's one SP refractor, like every time. Definitely not complaining. It's a nice bonus. Berrios, Pearson, JT, Lindor, and Chas McCormick. Strohs. What have we here? Gold. Muncy, Luis Robert, McCutcheon, Jake Berger, rookie, and gold Kershaw. I gotta go back and look now. 27 of 50, Kersh. Is it right here? Where was it? Where'd you go, Clayton? There he is. $27 of 50, $34 of 50. Twins. Judge, Merrifield, Kepler, Colton Welker, Rizzo. Yu Darvish, Cal, Miggy, Gallo, Wander for the Rays. Tampa, Nelson. Got Fernando. Here's a refractor. Scherzer. Jarren Duran. Red Sox. Robbie Ray. Refractor. Shane Bieber. For the Guardians. The $8 team. Final pack of box 2. Gary Sanchez, Jock Peterson, Bart, Bell, and Kershaw base. Final box. Snell, Badu, Dahlbeck, Conforto, Ian Anderson. Stott, Torkelson base, Verlander, finest flamethrowers for the Stros, Houston, Michael, Seager, and KB. This one really, for whatever reason, the flamethrower ones really pop. There's just a lot of shine to it. Second Torque, I believe. I think the only main big guy base card we're missing is Witt. At least one of them. I think we're just missing Witt. Devers. There's a Sosa for the Cubbies. Trevor Story and Shohei. Slam and Sammy. Cubbies RG. Mr. Wheeler, Walsh, Simeon, Mancini, Park. Got Winker, Manoa, Miggy, Gallo, and Wander. You go Nelson. What have we here? Refractor, Cronenworth, Maeda. We got another Duran rookie. Robbie Ray, the refractor. Don't see a rookie logo. Giancarlo is Stanton for the Yanks. New York Yankees. Daniel H. We got Newt Bar. Meadows, Bogarts, Bell, Kershaw base. Cruz. Eovaldi, JT, Lindor, McCormick. Hit recap at the end too, guys, as always. I'll run through all these key rookies I'm top loading and all the numbers and parallels. As always. Prism coming up. Alright, Luis Hill, Bohm, got McCutchen, Berger, Prism, rookie, Connor Wong, the 35 for the Red Sox. Boston, Daniel H. $28 out of 35. Tim Anderson, Darvish, Cal, Welker, Rizzo. Tatis, Scherzer, Bellinger, Baez, and there's a Trout. Sanchez, Jock, Bart, Edward Cabrera, rookie. I think it's the first one we've seen. Justin Turner in the back. Barrios, Pearson, Muncy, Gavin Sheets, and Suarez, walk-off king. Luis Robert, Judge, Shane McClanahan, Joe Adell, Brandon Lau, Witt, Kepler, Vidal Brujan, Soler, and William Contreras. Got something here. This might be ink. This looks like a refract. Oh, it might be rose gold. Looks like rose gold, maybe. Those are good one number, like 15. Austin Riley, Pache, Goldschmidt, Ruiz. Come on, let's end on a banger here. Steven Matz, 6 of 15 to the Cardinals. Dan B. Yeah, they are to 15. 6 of 15, rose gold. Alright, final 2 packs. Votto, Crawford, Betts, Tucker, Stanton. Final pack. Barrero. Ooh, we got black. There we go. Wong, Burns, Juan Yepez, and rookie Juan Yepez, Cardinals. Strong finish. 10 of 25, black rookie. Strong finish for the Cardinals. 10 of 25. Alright, give me 30 seconds here. Set up a hit recap. Duran, Wander, Torque, Abrams, Green, Cruz, Newt, Green. Do that. Okay, there's your rookies. Those gold prism. All right, here we go. Hit recap. 2022 Finest Flashbacks PYT number 2. Number 3 is tomorrow night, along with more Topps 3D Pick Your Division. All right, some of the key rookies in the 3 boxes. We had C.J. Abrams. We had 2 Lars Nootbaars. We had 2 Durans for the Red Sox. 2 Hunter Greens, Reds. 2 O'Neal Cruz, Pirates. 2 Torques. 2 Wanders. And 1 Julio. Did not have a Witt. No Bobby Witts. Alright, the inserts and numbered stuff. We had Power Kings Cardinals edition of Albert Pujols. Power Kings Bo Jackson for the Royals. And Finest Flamethrowers Astros Justin Verlander. The SPs, we had Chipper Jones, Bo Jackson, and Sammy Sosa. Refractors, we had Cal for the Mariners, Shane Bieber, and Stanton. The refractor SPs were Jackie Robinson and Frank Thomas. Golds out of 50, we had Jackson Kowar for the Royals, and Clayton Kershaw, Twins. 2 golds out of 50, Clayton Kershaw. Prisms out of 35, I believe. Yep. We had Juan Soto for the Nationals. And Connor Wong for the Red Sox. Black to 25, Juan Yepez rookie for the Cardinals. Nice one there. And then rose gold out of 15, Steven Matz. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Appreciate it. 1 and 2 in the books. 3 tomorrow. 4 is on Monday with Topps Chrome. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks. I appreciate it.